Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee if you're new, and let's do a quick room tour at the Points Hotel and Suites. First, walking into the door, we are going to go straight over into the kitchen. We do have a full kitchen with all the amenities. You guys that watch me frequently know we love hotels like this or suites like this. So this is your kitchen area with everything you need. Full-size refrigerator, ice maker. Then this is all our stuff. Don't mind that. We're gonna be doing a seafood boil tonight. Dishwasher machine, complimentary coffee blender, more dishes. The kitchen is a decent size, and it also has a washing machine and dryer in here. We're gonna come on around to the living room. The living room is cute, it's spacious, very nice. TV. And this is our view of the downtown area of Orlando. I think we're on University Drive. So that's our balcony view. Then we are going to come on around. This is a suite, a 1-bedroom suite. We're gonna do a quick go around. Nice bed, nice lighting. Safe, all your standard things, ironing board, pillows, and extra things like that in there. Then we're gonna come around to the bathroom. If you're a regular on my channel, you guys know I love a suite with a hot tub. So of course, Mr. did his big one on that. Let's open up this. Then we have the pool towels, extra tissue. We have the little private area. Then we got the little sink area. And then we have a glass and shower. I love the size. The room is nice. He did a good pick on this one. All right, you guys, this is a quick daytime view of the balcony. One of the pool areas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another one. Bye, you guys.